Hi everyone, welcome to the class where we will learn how to use balance in the composition. We will use flowers as the form in the whole class. But if you want, you can also use any other form you like. We often make different paintings and later worry about what it lacks. It is sometimes balance that lacks in some paintings. We will tackle this problem in today's class by doing different exercises as well as learning some concepts. We will first start by making a book of forms, as we always struggle searching for the forms to start with, which takes most of our time. Then, we will do some exercises to understand balance on a 2D surface. Along with that, I will also explain some essential concepts surrounding visual composition. And lastly, we will do 3 different types of paintings with lots of sketches and ideas. There is a lot to cover in this class, so let's get started.